Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Elizabeth. I am the brand awareness manager for Beauté Minerals and I'm here with this amazing Lucky Leprechaun smoky eye look I'm absolutely living for. Today I'm going to be using our brand new moss green eyeshadow. Insert swatch. I really love this color because it is very green, but there's also some gold shimmery undertones, which makes it perfect for St. Patrick's Day. You can see it shine in the light right there. I love it. And then we're also going to be pairing it with our classic gold shimmer. Right there. Now those two colors together are absolutely out of this world. I cannot wait to show you guys. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Okay, so first things first, as always, I am going to be priming using a mineral primer. Put that all around. Remember, you want to focus on the areas where you have the largest pores as well as the most discoloration to make sure it really picks up the product. Okay, now we are going to correct our discoloration. Now we're going to take a little bit of our mint green concealer on our concealer brush. A little bit right here on the cheeks. Yes, I know, I look ridiculous right now. Blend that in. And then we're going to use a little bit of yellow concealer just underneath our eyes. Okay, next we're going to go in with our foundation, just a nice base layer. Tap in and go in with soft, wide circles. Okay. And now we're going to start off with our big bright green eyes. We're going to use one of our brand new shades. This is moss green eyeshadow. And I want to create a really defined look, and it's really important with darker colors to make sure that you control where the product actually goes. In order to do that, I'm going to use a very high-tech tool, an index card. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take this along our eye and make sure that we line it up with our brow and then just start dabbing it on. And to the other eye. Now, it's really important to remember when you're using a darker, more colorful eyeshadow on your eyes is when you do one single color, it kind of washes the eyes out and erases any definition that you have. So we're going to add back in some of that dimension with darker, more matte colors in the crease. So now I'm going to start off not too dark. I'm going to use charcoal, another one of our fabulous new colors. I'm just going to use our eyeshadow brush for this because it's very fluffy, so it's going to be really good for blending, and I want to give like a soft look. So again, we're going to go in with our charcoal, just a little bit on the brush, knock off any excess. And I like to use the lid kind of like a palette to make sure the pigment is evenly distributed through the brush. Take our index card, line it up right here, and go right here in the crease. Go right here along this. Now this is probably going to create a harsh line, but that's okay, because what we're going to do, knock off some of the excess and then just kind of brush it out just a little bit to soften that line up. Do the same on the other side. And then again, soften that line. Now you could stop here and you'd have a perfectly festive green eye look. However, I'm going to deepen it just a little bit more. I'm going to use a little bit more control. I'm going to use some black liner with our concealer brush, just a little bit, and go in right here on the crease. Pat that color in, and then I'm going to blend it out. Remember to always keep your index card right there to prevent any excess fallout. Okay, now I really want to bring out the gold undertones from the Moss eyeshadow, so I'm going to go in with gold shimmer. Make sure it's nice and packed on there. I'm just going to go right here in the center. Now, because the gold shimmer is so pigmented, I'm really not going to highlight my brow bone with this. I'm going to save that for my highlighter. But I am going to go with my regular eyeshadow brush, pick up a little bit of that gold pigment. I'm going to put it on the inside corners of my eye as well as underneath. And kind of define my eyebrows just a little bit with my duo-ended brow brush. Just brushing them through. Putting on just a little bit of powder. There we go. Now we're going to curl up our lashes, make them nice and tall. And go in with our brand new Mineral Mascara in Black Noir. Remember to curl in towards your eye and then pull out. In and out. That way you get every last bit of your lashes coated and covered and amazing. Now that the eyes are complete, it's time to finish the rest of my face. We're going to go in with my new favorite contour, which is the medium dark foundation. With our fluffy contour brush, grab just a little bit of this. We're going to go swooping in just underneath our cheekbone, right here, and then blend it out. Go right up here along my temple. Just to help kind of carve out my face. And then with any excess, sorry about my hair, with any excess, we're going to go right along your jaw. So you get right underneath here. Okay, now I want to keep the blush kind of subtle, but still kind of picking up the pink undertones of my skin. So I'm going to go in with our Bloom and a fluffy angled, swirl it into the lid. And don't forget to smile. Now before we highlight, I do want to set everything, so I'm going to go in with a neutral finishing powder. So not only helps set and lock in your makeup, but it also makes sure that it lasts all day and really blends everything out. Also, to add a little bit of extra festive gold glow, we're going to go in back with our gold shimmer. Using our blush brush, just get a little bit from the top. And then just swoop that right along our cheeks. Finish it off to make sure our glow is extra bright. We're going to use mineral highlighter. A nice gentle sweep again right over that same area. There we go. Notice how the glow is picking up right along my brow bone. That's where I did not actually apply any product, so it's still the primer picking up pigment. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we can't leave our lips alone. But again, I kind of want to keep the focus on the eyes, so I'm going to go with a nice soft pink and just fill these in. So this is the final look for our fresh and festive St. Patrick's Day green smoky eye Goldie. Is this name long enough? I think it is. So I'm feeling very lucky today. It was so nice to be able to hang out with all of you, and I can't wait to see you all next month for April. I don't know what we should do. Maybe a nice fresh spring look? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay lucky, everyone.